Hello friends, I am Dr. Vaibhav Sabnis and this is my poem on Corona. The title of the poem is Nobody Comes, Nobody Goes. Nobody comes, nobody goes. Those who accidentally come appear foes. To be or not to be cannot be a question. Everybody is under severe tension. Be safe, be at home, chat on WhatsApp, browse through Chrome. Life is painful, in sight is Corona death. Cover your face while taking each breath. You will die if you frown. Fearful is the lockdown. Stay at home, do the things vivid, or you will be infected by the dangerous COVID. Lorries and auto rickshaws carry the instance. Better always is to keep safer distance. Good opportunity to travel deeper inside. Harmful is to walk outside. Defeating coronavirus is a Herculean task we will conquer by covering face and wearing mask. It's good nobody inside comes and outside none goes. Let's felicitate ourselves by showering petals of rose.